Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral from 2 to 3 of x to the power of 2 over x to the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied with x minus 1 to the power of 2 dx. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. First, about x to the power of 2, we separate them into x multiplied with x. We know that x to the power of 2 plus 1 minus x minus 1, everything to the power of 2 equals to x to the power of 2 plus 1 minus x to the power of 2 plus 2x minus 1. You got about 2x. So after we analyze, we can divide both sides with number 2. And now we change one value of x into this one. Now we have x to the power of 2 plus 1 divided for this one, so you can simplify similar for x minus 1, everything to the power of 2, and now we can separate them into two integrals. Now we can do the integral in the separate them in here. I choose capital A is about this one, and now we can use about integration by substitution. So we got about u equals to x minus 1, du equal to dx. Because we have the s in here, so we can get about s equals to u plus 1. And now we can change about number 2 and number 3. S equal to number 2, so you got about u equals to number 1, s equal to number 3, so u equals to number 2. So we change this one 1, 2, s is about u plus 1, s minus 1 we change for u, dx we change for du, and now we can get the answer in here. U divided to u square, you got about 1 over u. 1 divided to u square, you got about 1 over u to the power of 2 du. And now we can get the final answer. Now we can put number 2 and number 1 in here. this one become to 0, so we got about negative 1 over 2 plus 1, so you got about 1 over 2. And we got about ln 2 over 2 plus 1 over 4. Now we go to the second one. We put about capital B equals for this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So we got about u equals for s to the power of 2 plus 1 du equal to 2s ds. So we just have s ds, so we divide both sides with number 2. Now we need to change the value of number 2 and number 3. If s equals to number 2, so u should be number 5. If s equal to number 3, so u should be number 10. And now we need to get the value in here. Number 2 we change to number 5. Number 3 we change to number 10. S ds we change for the u over 2. S square plus 1 you got about du, we change for u. And now we can get the final answer. We have number 10 and number 5. 10 divided by 5, you got about number 2. And now we combine the answer. Capital A, we got about this one. Capital B, we got about this one. And now we can get the answer in here. And here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.